Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you 5 secret messaging apps that look like games. Let's start with Play-Doh. At first glance, it looks like a simple game app with mini-games like Ludo, pool, and card games. However, once you start playing, you'll find private messaging built right in. No phone number or email needed. Just play and chat. Next up is IMVU. It looks like a 3D avatar and fashion game, but it's actually a full social platform. Inside, you can send private messages, chat in rooms, and talk freely without drawing attention. Third on the list is Roblox. Most people see it as just a gaming app, but almost every game includes text chat. You can message friends, join private servers, and chat while it looks like you're only gaming. After that comes Discord. While it's known as a gamer app, it offers private messages, voice chats, video calls, and private servers. For extra stealth, you can even name servers to look like games or tools. Finally, there's Tia. It looks like a group voice chat app for gamers, but it also supports private voice rooms. It blends in perfectly with other gaming apps and doesn't raise suspicion. So there you have it, 5 apps that let you chat secretly while looking like you're just playing games. Thanks for watching.